Warm air in place out there right now that is going to stick with us for Wednesday as well as on Thursday and even on Friday. We're still going to have this warm air, but I want you to notice here up to the north and west on Friday, there is a surge of cooler air along with a cold front that will start moving our way. And with that front, on Saturday in the morning, it's still going to feel like it's been feeling for the past few mornings with temperatures in upper 50s and the lower 60s. But during the day on Saturday, all right, so this is at 7:30 in the morning. Look what happens during the day. That front moves down to the south and this cooler air starts spilling down into our area. It's going to turn breezy on Saturday. We will have temperatures that instead of being in the lower 80s will be in the lower 70s. And then by Sunday morning, we're talking about low temperatures that get down into the 40s, the upper 40s here. And then on Monday morning, also the upper 40s for lows. Afternoon highs, I don't think on Sunday we'll even make it up to 70 degrees. And then on Monday, we'll be in the lower 70s. Once we get into Tuesday, we're back into the mid 70s as it starts moderating here just a little bit. Out there right now, we are feeling pretty good. Lower 70s here in the Atlanta area at 73, but outside the city, it's much cooler. Now, it's 71 in Gainesville, but look at all the 60s in our area with that clear sky. Some of the warmer air from today is radiating more quickly out into the atmosphere. That's why those outlying areas are cooling much faster. 83 degrees for our high temperature tomorrow, still trending above the average. Mostly sunny skies, going to be a great day, but we're going to go with a 10 on the wasometer. Not quite a perfect 11 just because these temperatures are a little bit warmer than what they should be here for the beginning of August. So here's a look at the future radar, and you can see not a lot showing up here on the maps for tomorrow morning and the afternoon. Maybe just a couple of clouds mixing in at times, but no rain with those clouds. On Thursday, a couple of more clouds start building in later in the day, but still no rain with that. Then on Friday, we will introduce a 20% chance for a shower as that front begins to move closer to us, but that moisture content with the front is going to be very limited by the time it gets here. You see here that during the day on Thursday, we have those showers out to the west, looking pretty impressive, right? Well, by the time it gets here, though, look how this moisture is kind of falling apart a good bit, and we'll have just a 20% chance for a shower later on Tuesday and maybe early on Saturday, the risk of a few raindrops around. Now the rain, if you even get any, it's not going to be that impressive. I think rain totals will be well less than a quarter of an inch. Some areas might just be about a tenth of an inch of rain, but then here's that front for Saturday afternoon. It's already moved through Atlanta, pushing any of that little bit of moisture away. And then really the bigger story for the weekend, not the rain chance, it's going to be the cooler air that starts rushing in here. We'll begin to feel that during the day on Saturday, and then you'll really feel it on Sunday and Monday morning as those low temperatures dip back down into the upper 40s. So that's going to be kind of refreshing to walk outside to feel those cool temperatures like that. So here's the 7-day forecast showing the temperatures still above average Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Generally they're low and mid 80s. A couple more clouds Thursday, more clouds Friday with that 30% chance for some isolated showers. And then Saturday, decreasing clouds, turning breezy, temperature of 71 in the afternoon. There you see those lows in the 40s Sunday and Monday. Afternoon high Sunday, only up to 69, back to the lower 70s Monday, then mid 70s here by Tuesday.